Hello good people of the internet, my name is Hexa, welcome back to my channel for another Lush Kitchen unboxing. Today we have a little change of scenery. It has been so hot in Germany this week and the house is basically built like an oven, so I decided to sit out here to film today's video just, you know, because it's nice and warm and sunny outside but not as hot as it is indoors, and there's a little bit of wind and, you know, it's nice. Before I get into the unboxing, I just want to apologize quickly for any confusion I might have caused with my last Lush Kitchen unboxing. I got my screenshots from the vote mixed up and I thought that the vote for this month's box was the vote for last month's box, and I was like super confused as to why none of the things that were on the vote were in the box, but basically, yeah, I just got my stuff mixed up. So this is the June box. If you want to see my reactions to June's vote and the options we had, then watch my last Lush Kitchen unboxing, because that's where I actually talk about the vote items from this box. Alright, let's open this up. This box has been ravaged by customs. Oh my goodness. Okay. Huh. There's no like cover page thingy. There's like the info card with all the products, but there's no cover paper. That's weird. And I saw somebody else comment about that on a Facebook group too, that they didn't have that. Okay. Oh my god, but this box smells so nice. It smells like Sleepy. There's another Sleepy thing in here, and we actually, the first thing that I have is a little envelope that says Dream on Sleepyhead. Okay. 100% organic cotton. Ooh, is this a knot wrap? I'm excited. Oh my god, that is so adorable. I've literally been talking about how I need one of these. That is so cute. Look, for your daytime napping needs. If you live up north, this is so helpful in the summer because sunset is so late and sunrise is so early, and it's just really hard for me personally, at least, to shut down and like go to sleep when it's still light out. So this is amazing and so adorable. I love it. Made from 100% organic cotton, this 3-layer mask will reduce unwanted light and encourage a restful sleep. Simply place over your eyes and secure with the straps before drifting off. Nice! It has a little Lush logo on the back of the strap, and I love how like one of the eyes is open and one is closed. It kind of reminds me of like a sun and moon motif kind of theme. It's really cute. Next up, let's see. We have a little naked looking item here. Whew. And it is hot, so I am worried about this being melty. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is shaped like a moon, and then it has like a little bubble here. Ooh, what does this smell like? I think this does have lavender in it. It doesn't smell exactly like Sleepy though. It smells a little bit more bitter. I think it's like a body lotion. This wasn't on the vote, so I have no idea at all what this is, but it feels really nice. Again, you guys know I'm not a huge fan of naked products just because they are a little bit like inconvenient. You can't, like, I can't hold it in my hands for too long because it's gonna start melting, but it does smell fabulous. I get a little bit of lavender, I think. Some like bitterness. I don't know. It just smells like bitter florals. I'm gonna go and put this on a plate and put it inside right now, because if I sit out here too long, this is totally gonna start melting on me. Okay, so I'll get back to that product later and figure out what it is. Like I said, I don't think it was on the vote, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. We'll see on the info card once I have dug through everything. It smells very nice, but maybe not the best choice for the summer. I have seen a lot of people saying that theirs came like completely melted in the box. Mine luckily was not melted, but you know, it is still kind of hard to store, especially when it's really hot out. But then again, I guess half of the planet is currently experiencing winter, so you know, who am I? I have northern hemisphere privilege. Who am I to judge what is winter and what is summer? Okay, next. Ooh. I am so happy about this. Oh my gosh. It has spilled a little. We have a spillage, but oh my god, I was so hoping that we would get this, and we did, and I'm so glad. Intergalactic kitchen exclusive shower gel in a 250ml size bottle. Oh my god, the glitter in this looks absolutely fabulous. I really love the color of this shower gel. When I saw it in the pictures, I just had to have it. It looks so gorgeous. I've never smelled it before though, so here goes. Ooh. Oh my god, that is so nice. Oh my god, I totally forgot to give ratings. I usually give ratings. I'll give, for the last thing, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I like the scent, but I don't like the formulation. Okay, this This is like a 9 out of 10 right off the bat. It's minty, but it also has like, I don't know, it has some like perfumey floral something to it. What is that? Ooh, it has vetiver as well as cedarwood. It has so many good ingredients in here. It's very nicely balanced. It's got like a lot of mint and a little bit of like bitter floral something to it. It smells really, really nice. I think this is an amazing shower gel for the summer, and I just absolutely love the glitter in here and the color of it. I love like teals and greens, and anything glittery is just amazing to me. So I'm so glad that we got Intergalactic shower gel. I have to wash my hands again because the bottle was a little bit dirty. This is one of those videos where I have to just like wash my hands between each product. I sadly just lost some footage from my next product because my battery died. But anyways, before I get into what the next product was, I just wanted to ask you guys to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this outdoor filming situation. Is it nice? Is the audio okay? Do you like the garden and the sunshine? I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit overexposed maybe, but it is kind of nice to film out here when it's really hot and sunny, and you know, just get a bit of sun, not be inside the boiling hot house. So just let me know if you like this setup, or if you guys think I should just muscle through it so I can stay and film indoors. Okay, so the next product, which I've already reacted to but lost the footage, is the grass body lotion, and I thought that I would not like this. I was hoping that this would not be in the box because I have tried the grass shower gel and I just wasn't really a fan of it, but this is completely different. I don't know what it is, but it smells absolutely amazing. It has this like really delicate, amazing balance of sweetness to it. It smells kind of like marzipan. It reminds me a little bit of snow cake and of a hand cream that we got, I think, in the December box, but I don't really remember what it was called. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. That's what it reminds me of. It smells, yeah, it smells like marzipan, like almonds. It's a little bit sweet. It reminds me a bit of like the smell of chamomile or marigold or something like that. I don't know, it's just amazing. I'm actually really glad that this was in the box. I'm hoping that like once I actually apply it to my skin, it keeps that nice sweet note to it and it doesn't just like smell totally like grass again. Sometimes it does happen that things smell really different in the jar versus on the skin, so I'm just hoping that it is still like nice and sweet and almondy also when I apply it. But so far, upon first impressions, this gets a solid 9 out of 10. This actually smells so good. This is one of my favorites. Wow. I was really not expecting to like grass so much because, yeah, like I said, I don't like the shower gel, but this actually smells amazing. We got 2 more items in here. I think they're both bath bombs, or maybe like a bath bomb and a bubble bar. Let's see. Oh no, this is not a bubble bar or a bath bomb. I remember what this is. Okay. This is like a, I'm not gonna pick it up. I will show it to you like this because it's melty. Actually, I have to pick it up. Okay. This is, I think it's like a scrub or something. I forget what it's called, but I think this was on the vote. I didn't vote for this because, like I said, not a fan of the whole naked thing. I can see the sugar in it. Right now, though, this doesn't smell like anything. Maybe a little bit. I think I'm getting a little bit of, like, lemongrass. I don't know if that's an ingredient in here, but it's very faint. Like, I don't know what this is supposed to smell like. It's really faintly scented. All I'm really getting is, like, a tiny little bit of maybe lemongrass, or maybe ginger, or maybe something spicy-ish, but like it's really faint. I can't even give this a rating because to me it doesn't smell like anything. I don't know. Okay, 5 out of 10 because I'm not a fan of the naked thing, and I don't know, this has no distinguishable scent. It has a very faint little hit of spice, but that's about it. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that aside. I have to wash my hands again. This is ridiculous. Please stop. The leaks and the naked things and the I'm just like oily all the time. Blech. Mom is cooking something and I stole a piece of radish. It's very spicy, but good. I feel like my one shoulder is gonna get so sunburned. I am wearing sunscreen, but it's still quite sunny out here. I don't know. Okay, last item is a bath bomb. Ooh, this looks pretty. This looks like robotic. It looks like it has a maze on it. Reminds me of like Pac-Man or something. I don't know. Let me finish chewing my radish so I can smell it. Ooh. Oh, Lush X ASOS. I saw this. People are not happy that Lush is partnering with ASOS. I don't really care. I know like they're fast fashion or whatever, but I don't know. I just don't have a problem with ASOS. I don't know what the big deal is, but I do feel like it's kind of weird for Lush to partner with ASOS. I don't know why they're doing it, because I don't know, Lush has so much success just doing standalone shops all over the world, so I just don't get the point of it. But anyway. What does this remind me of? Definitely, definitely reminds me of something. This also has some like spice to it. I almost feel like maybe the scent of this is what was rubbing off on the massage bar, because they smell similar. But this is definitely, this actually has like a clear distinguishable scent of its own. I can't tell what it is. A little bit spicy. Why is my camera not focusing? Probably because I'm like overexposed on one side and then underexposed on the other side. Yeah, this smells like, I don't know, lemongrassy or gingery or something. I'm not a huge fan of this scent, to be honest, but it's okay. I also feel like I get a hit of something sweet, but I can't tell what or why or where it's coming from. This box has been full of a lot of like difficult to differentiate scents. My nose has been not very cooperative, not a very good super spy in this video. Okay, I'm gonna get into the info card and see what details we can get about these products. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing was the Sleepyhead massage bar. So it is sleepy scented, I guess. Ooh, but it does smell different. It has an ingredient that I don't think I've seen before in Sleepy. Horsetail herb extracted in organic jojoba oil. Oh, it also has fennel. When has fennel ever been a thing in Sleepy? I'm not usually a fan of fennel, but in that massage bar, it was okay. And then the scrubby thing was the Rough with the Smooth body scrub. Pepper, patchouli, and vanilla, none of which I could smell. Okay, and the bath bomb was the White Noise bath bomb. I don't know why this is stamped Lush X ASOS. Is this like a collaboration that they're doing for this box? I don't know. Didn't have any of the ingredients that I thought were in there, so yeah, I don't know. My sense of smell is off today. Must be the heat. Oh, I forgot to give this, did I give this a rating? I feel like I forgot to give this rating. I'll give this like a 7 out of 10. It's not that bad, but it's not amazing by what I kind of like, but it's not terrible either. It does look very interesting though. So that was it for today's Lush Kitchen unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I actually quite liked this box. There were a few things in here that I was really happy about and really liked. Intergalactic and Grass, I think I'm gonna really super mega love. The other things were just like, okay, you know, Sleepyhead, I really love the smell of Sleepy, but I just don't love the whole naked thing. Rough with the Smooth, I think is the only thing that I'm like straight up just, I don't really care about much at all in this box. I don't know, I'll try it, but I don't think I'm gonna be a huge fan of this product. And the White Noise bath bomb, it's just okay. It's interesting, I guess. I'll give it a go, and yeah, it's not bad. It's just, I don't know, different. There's a lot of wind. The terrace cover thingy is flapping a lot. I feel like we got through this video a lot faster than normal. Probably because I didn't do like the intro with the vote. Again, if you wanted to see the vote, it's in the last Lush Kitchen unboxing. But let me know also if you think I should just continue with skipping the vote altogether. I don't know how many people are actually interested in hearing, you know, what was on the vote, what I voted for, and why portion of these videos. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know if you want me to continue doing the intros with the vote, and also let me know again what you think of today's filming situation and circumstances. Next time I do this, I will definitely wear sunglasses because I feel like I'm frowning a lot to keep the sun out of my eyes. Alright, I hope you guys have an amazing summer. Summer is definitely starting up heavily in this area of Germany where I live, and probably in a lot of other places too. Stay safe, stay hydrated, respect COVID restrictions wherever you are. Don't forget your sunscreen. A tan looks good now, but wrinkles will look bad when you are old. So, you know, we're in it for the long game. And if you want to see any more of my Lush related content, you can follow my Lush account. If you want to see more of me and my other non-Lush related content, you can follow my other Instagram account. Everything is linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Ow. Bye. I just hit the box.